Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Divisions of the maxillary arteries and also its branches. So there are three divisions. First is the first part. So what is present in the first part? The first part is known as the mandibular. So mandibular part, and what is the extent of this? The extent is the neck of the mandible, next of the mandible, to the lower border. So neck of the mandible to the lower border of the lateral pterygoid. Next is the common pattern. What will be the common pattern? It includes the all branches from the part enter the bone. All branches, it enters the bone. And the branches, it includes the middle meningeal. Next is the axillary meningeal, the inferior alveolar. Then comes the deep alveolar and the anterior deep auricular. So it is a deep auricular and also the anterior tympanic arteries. Next we move on to the second part. So second part is known as the pterygoid part. So pterygoid part, the location is the infratemporal. The infratemporal fossa. So the common pattern is all muscular branches, and the branches, it includes the artery of the lateral pterygoid. So the infratemporal fossa, the common patterns are all muscular branches. The branches, it includes the artery of the lateral pterygoid and also the medial pterygoid. So lateral pterygoid, medial pterygoid, then the mesenteric artery and the two deep temporal branch. Two deep temporal arteries. Next is the third part. The third artery is nothing but the pterygopalatine part, and this includes the pterygopalatine fossa. And what are the branches? Artery to the pterygoid canal. Next is the infraorbital artery, the greater palatine, the sphenopalatine, and the pharyngeal artery. Next is also the posterior superior alveolar artery. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.